This is our Business 300 quiz number 1 preview. So to give you some insight as to where to focus your efforts in order to hopefully be more successful in the taking of the first quiz in Business 300. So as we frame the quiz for you, let's think in terms of there are questions that are going to come from several sources. First and foremost, the class lectures, which are on YouTube, your videos. So we'll pull a percentage of the questions from there. The textbook is also a kind of a source of information for you. Make sure to take a look at your notes as well if you've taken notes, which is important to do so. And focus on some of the key words that I'm going to mention. I'm going to give you some of the key areas to make sure to get focused on for locating the subject matter we're going to talk about in quiz number 1. And then learn. It's not so much memorization as it is understand the concepts we're speaking of, and then ask questions if you need clarity. So here are those areas for you to focus on. What is strategy, and do we understand strategy? How does the business planning process work? What is the process for continually acquiring information? How do we categorize the consumer's psychology? What is assessment? And other areas to look into. How do we define e-commerce and e-business? Why do we use a pro forma to narrow our focus from the financial standpoint? What is a company summary? Where are the key business opportunities in global marketing? What is the objective with decision-making factors? What are the financials? How do we define business programs? How do we define consumer behavior? What is SWOT? What is the SWOT analysis? How do we define goals? What is the company description? How do we define culture? And what is the most important thing in the world of financial planning, or what is most important in the world of financial planning? So I've given you the areas you need to look. Go back, look into the lectures on YouTube. Also look in the textbook, review your notes to help you formulate and pinpoint these areas because this is where the primary focus for the questions will come to make sure you're prepared for the quiz number 1. And here's your thought for the day. In business, it's better to hang out with people smarter than you. Pick out associates whose behavior and knowledge is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction.